of Sri Siddheshwar Maharaj, a Siddheshwar temple, and a 900-year legacy of Gadda Yatra, which is a very vibrant festival. It is unique all over the world. This is the unique place where we have this Yatra. It is a 15-day vibrant cultural event which attracts many devotees and many tourists. Around thousands of people come here every year for the 15-day festival. With that, uh, from January 15th till 30th. It is also a capital of Maharashtra's textile company. Has a historical hub renowned for a GI tag Solapuri chadar, as we all know. And it is situated in such a way that it shares the boundaries of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. So the cultural mixture merge is so well that there are so many festivals, cultural events, and even local cuisines like Kadak Bhakari, chutney, Shengachi chutney, which is famous for Solapur, then Savji cuisines, and even huggi from the Karnataka part. So whenever you come here, please enjoy the delicacies of Solapur. This is also a city of martyrs. The city didn't wait for the independence, but the brave soldiers from here, they hoisted the flag in 1930 and declared Solapur independence before India got independence. So now Solapur has become a IT sector, it is welcoming IT sectors now, and it's a smart city. And with this warmth of Solapur and with the progressive and a medical hub, we invite you all to Solapur. Yeah. And now invite President of Solapur IIP, Dr. Sudarshan Chakre, to invite you all.
Good morning, respected CIP President Dr. Neelam Mohan Madam, Dr. Sanju Joshi Sir, Dr. Pakmode Sir, and other colleagues and friends. Namaskar, Namaskara, and Namaskaram. This is the culture of Solapur, which includes all the three languages which are widely spoken in Solapur, and that is the heart of Solapur. We are blessed with three rich languages which all doctors have to learn. Without that, it is not possible or hardly possible to practice. So, we are proud of that thing. It is my great pleasure to honor you all, and it is my pleasure to welcome you all in the city of Solapur, which is also called a city of Hutatmas, city of textiles, and land of Lord Rameshwaram, Siddha Rameshwaram. I greet you all today. Today is our Solapur branch welcomes you, not just with open arms, but with the warmth of the world famous Solapur chadar. We are proud to host this prestigious event that marks the new chapter in the journey of IIP Maharashtra. Just as weavers tie the thousands of fabrics, thousands of threads to form a strong fabric, we are here to create that strong bond between Maharashtra IIP and local Solapur IIP. As we gather here to witness the installation ceremony of our office bearers, we reaffirm our collective commitment to the child health and rights of children in Maharashtra and all over India. I congratulate the incoming team, the elected President Dr. Sanju Joshi Sir, Dr. Renu Vorolkar Madam, and other Maha-AP team. I express my full confidence that under their leadership, IIP Maharashtra will continue to scale the new heights in academic excellence, public health outreach, and professional unity. Their vision and dedicatedness will undoubtedly steer us towards the strong and more impactful pediatric care across the Maharashtra. I also take this moment to thank our outgoing team, Dr. Sanjay Pakmode Sir, Dr. Amol Pawar, who have really worked very hard in the last 1 year for their tireless service, guidance, and inspiration. Let's work together with passion, purpose, and commitment to ensure every child in the Maharashtra get the rights what he deserves. Let's make this installation not just a ceremony, but a celebration. I officially welcome you all to Solapur, the heart of South Maharashtra. आपणा सर्वांचं सोलापूरमध्ये मनपूर्वक स्वागत. At the end, I would like to thank our CIP President, Dr. Mohan Madam. She took out the time for this ceremony and graced this event. Thank you all. I wish you a meaningful day today and enjoy the hospitality in Solapur, which is like zanjanit like chutney and sweet like lapsi. Enjoy this day. Thank you.
Today is a special day as we all witness a transition in leadership, a moment where we acknowledge the hard work and dedication of the outgoing team and welcome the new team with great enthusiasm and hope. We are truly honored to have with us a distinguished personality, a stalwart in the field of pediatrics, our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Neelam Mohan Madam, National IIP President 2026. So in her presence, let us begin this event by seeking blessings from the Almighty. We now invite our esteemed guest for the ceremony of lamp lighting. As the light dispels darkness, may this signify the beginning of the bright and inspiring journey for our new leadership. I request all the dignitaries to proceed for lamp lighting. I request. Yes. Welcoming all the dignitaries on the dais. Dr. Neelam Mohan Ma'am, President, Central IIP. Dr. Sanjeev Joshi Sir, President, Maha IIP. Dr. Vinayak Patil, President-elect. Dr. Sanjay Pakmode Sir, immediate past President. Dr. Amol Pawar Sir, Vice President. Dr. Renu Borarkar Ma'am, Secretary, Maha IIP. Dr. Atul Kulkarni Sir, from our Solapur. And Dr. Sudarshan Chakre Sir, President of Solapur IIP. I would like to request everyone to gather for lamp lighting ceremony.
प्रथमेश्वरा गणधीश्वरा चिन्तामणि परमेश्वरा.
May this signify the beginning of the bright and inspiring journey for our new leadership.
प्रथमेश्वरा गणधीश्वरा चिन्तामणि परमेश्वरा गणनाथ सुरमणि गणपति गणनाथ सुरमणि गणपति हे रंब श्रीलंबोदरा हे रंब श्रीलंबोदरा हे रंब श्रीलंबोदरा प्रथमेश्वरा गणधीश्वरा चिन्तामणि पर
Now we move on to felicitation of our chief guest. A prestigious event like this becomes even more special when we have distinguished personalities gracing the occasion. We are privileged to have with us our chief guest, Dr. Neelam Mohan Ma'am, the National IIP President 2026, a committed leader in pediatric healthcare, combining extensive clinical experience with a strong focus on public health, education, and strengthening the pediatric community across India. So I request Dr. Sanjeev Joshi sir and Dr. Atul Kulkarni sir to felicitate Madam. Dr. Sanjeev Joshi is committed to providing high-quality healthcare to every child in Maharashtra. Under his theme, Healing the Children, Honoring the Healers, he focuses on academic excellence, advocating for girl child, adolescent mental health, and advancing immunization coverage. To felicitate him, I call upon Dr. Sudarshan Chakre, sir, Solapur IIP President. Now I call upon Dr. Sandeep Kulkarni sir to felicitate Dr. Vinayak Patil, President-elect. Now I call upon Dr. D.P. Nekate sir to felicitate past President MAHA-IP, Dr. Pakmode sir. Now I call upon Dr. Samir Khan sir to felicitate Dr. Amol Pawar, Vice President. Now I call upon Dr. Pratibha Patil to felicitate Dr. Renu Baralkar Madam, Secretary, MAHA-IP 2026. Now I call upon Dr. Sucheta Fofre Madam to felicitate Dr. Jayashree Deshpande Madam, Chairperson, Bal Sakhi Sanjeevani. Now I call upon Dr. Rajeshri Medu to felicitate Dr. Sushma Save, co-chairman Bal Sakhi Sanjeevani. Now I call upon Dr. K.U. Shrishi to felicitate Dr. Atul Kulkarni sir. आताच करू. I call upon Dr. K.U. Shrishi sir to felicitate Dr. Mahesh Ahir Rao, treasurer. नंतर काय? Now I call upon Dr. Lokhande sir to felicitate Dr. Sagar Bhale Rao. Okay. I now call upon Dr. Sanjay Pakmode sir to give the welcome address.
Good morning. Dignitaries on the dais, Dr. Madam Neelam Mohan, respected Dr. Neelam Mohan Madam, President 2026. Dr. Sanjeev Joshi sir, President MahaAP, the first elected president of MahaAP. Dr. Vinayak Patil, President-elect MahaAP. Again, for the first time. Whatever the names, they will the first time. Then Dr. Renu Bolarkar Madam, Secretary MahaAP. Dr. Amol, Vice President MahaAP. And Dr. Past Vice President, Dr. Atul Kulkarni sir. All the CIPBs, MahaIPBs, if I'll take the names of each and every one, I think it will take a lot of time. So, to cut it short, I said but it doesn't mean I want to take the name, don't want to take the name. I want to take each and everybody's name. I want to address each and everyone for their contribution, advice, and the blessings, without which this 1 year would not have been possible for me. When I became the MahaAP president, I was having one guilt. I was an accidental president. But the tradition of the people who have organized the Mahapedicon, out of which one of the person is selected, and that has been made the MahaAP president. Whole year, I said, no, this is not a good thing. I can't be the president in this fashion. But still, I had an experience of leading the branch of 50 members, 500 members, and legacy from my father, who was doing services for all the senior citizens. He's doing since the years, and he was a president that time of around 30,000 members. So then I thought, okay, I can shoulder this responsibility. But that guilt, I thought we should convert into something. And again, the pressure was from the CIP. Now you should go for the way the CIP does the work. And that's a very right thing. My parent branch is doing the things I must follow. The same rules and regulation as my parent branch follows. There should not be the different type of ways of doing the things. That doesn't sound good. So I have decided very in the beginning, let us go for the constitutional amendment. I was thinking this is a very difficult task. But people have already done a mammoth work on it. So I thought it is just a thing I had to initiate the things, get it materialized, and get the result. So for me, the job was very simple. No doubt it was difficult. But still I thought it is the one thing. Then I spoke with my EBs in the first EB meetings only. And they said, yes, sir, we can go ahead with it. The problem was how to do it. I said, well, okay, I'll lead the things. And on the auspicious day of Gudi Padwa, we have done this job. And so in the quarter of the first year only it was completed. So my job of first thing as an accidental president was only to change the constitutional amendment. And that has been done in just 3 months. No doubt, in the whole year we have achieved so many small successes, academic accomplishments. But I was lacking in so many things because I was not having an exposure of very much things of Maharashtra IP. No doubt I was a branch OB when I was the president of Maharashtra Nagpur IAP in 23. So when this time the elections were there, I thought that there should be such a leadership which is really mature, a leadership which is really something can do, a leadership which can do the justice with the post. So we invited. So many turbulence came in the way. But I thought these are the little turbulences. I have to go through all that criticism, but I thought that is a very constructive criticism. Let's come out of it, a constructive criticism, and let's change into something new. And ultimately, with the God's, I can say, favor, my friends' blessings, seniors' blessings, ultimately that day came when the Maharashtra elections were declared and election happened. And see the difference. A new leadership emerged, Dr. Sanjeev Joshi, sir, who is already a 2-time CB member. A person who came from the just 50-member branch. I tell you what is the beauty of that particular branch. I love his branch. A very small branch, but very togetherness I could not compare with any other branch. A leadership should be like this, shall like be patron. He is not called as a patron. He thinks he is like the other people in his branch, where the people of every age you will find. You cannot, comment on Sanjeev Joshi's age, but I had a pleasure of going with him so many times, and I have seen the person inside him. So I have seen a person inside him, a very lively person. Things are very simple with him. And you can make him to behave like, and he will allow you to do to go the things as you want. So that's what is the thing. Again, the Madam Nehru Modalkar came as the secretary, the first women secretary. See, what a combination. Mahesh from Dhule became the treasurer. All the things. And really, I tell you, if by doing the election, the one thing was very clear. If at all I'm interested in such post, I must contest. If at all I had a passion of doing the things, I must contest. Why to give the post thoponesarka kashal? Tu ban. No. It should not be like this. I will never be able to the justice with the post, which has been thopo lagli machar, which is not inside me. I don't want to lead the things. I don't want to do the things possibly. But yes, if I had a little passion and somebody gives me permission to do the things, I'll go for it. And this election proved like Shirish candidates and other candidates, people came forward. Means they have some inclination towards those things. So fortunately, that is the most beautiful thing. I mean, happened in my tenure. Last year, all, the academical activities were, means I think whether they were appreciable or not, I don't know. But that vaccine was led by Dr. Litin Shah sir was really a very good initiative, which all over the India was a very famous and good attendance. At the end only I'll sing, if at all in my tenure something has happened, it is because of the team. And if I could not do anything, that onus goes to me. I failed in my leadership. But what is, I've always seen everything comes from the team efforts. Because I believe everybody has a vision. Everybody has something in their mind. You just click from that person and ask him how to do it. He'll tell you in a different fashion. If asking by the 10 people and 10 people are giving me something and I'm making an opinion, I think it's a beautiful opinion rather than thinking the one person deciding how it should be done. So that I learned from this, and it was a great experience. At the same time, the great honor to lead this leadership as a MAHA-IP president. If at all I could do something, I think you will remember me, and if I could not do anything, you can forget me, but not my team. And lahan tondi mothagas. Madam Neelam Mohan, respected Neelam Mohan, I want to say one thing to you. मैच जीतना है और मैच जीत रहे हो तो किसके साथ मैच देख रहे हो इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So with this, I conclude. I took a lot of time, but everybody has to speak. A lot of things to be speak. I wanted to speak it out, but then after completing the 1 year, you feel you should say this, you should say that. I have not taken so many names of my team, like Minhaj Sheikh sir, who was an excellent job for me as scientific coordinator, and all the team. As a CIPB, Deepa madam has done excellent job of that PG program. That's the first initiative. And I must appreciate the efforts of my Dr. Amol, who is rather murlela manus hai to. You ask him anything, he will tell you how to do it. So, we cannot say that. He's a murlela person. Agdi murlela. Ya organization मध्ये तुम्हाला काय हवं असेल आणि कुठं कसं करायचं असेल, he is the only person which can guide. And not at the least, my two people from my office, Deepa, Shiva and Datta, who helped me a lot in doing my job. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Maha.
Now the most awaited function of today, that is installation and outtaking by MAHA-IP 2026. I call. So now, okay. Now I call upon Dr. Neelam Madam and Dr. Sanjeev Pakmode sir for medal exchange with Dr. Sanjeev Joshi sir, the new MAHA-IP president. Vice President Dr. Amol Pawar. President-elect Dr. Vinayak Patil. Immediate past President Dr. Sanjay Pakmode, sir. Secretary, Vice President Dr. Amol Pawar. Secretary Dr. Renu Boraka, madam. Hi. Treasurer Dr. Mahesh Ahirram. Joint Secretary Dr. Sagar Bhalerao. Now. Central IIP EB members, Dr. Deepa Firkeman. Dr. Nikhil Pathak. Dr. Praveen Gokhale. Dr. Rajesh Kulkarni. Dr. Ramakant Patil. Dr. Ramakant Patil.
fast celebration and most. Thank you.
Dr. Ravindra Sonamni. Dr. Sagar Wagh. Maharashtra. Maharashtra EB members, Dr. Grivita Raikar, Dr. Madhavi Ingre, Dr. Kundanlal Chopde, Dr. Mahesh Sulakshane, Dr. Pankaj Patil, Dr. Malvika Kulkarni, Dr. Ritesh Singh Bisen, Dr. Sandeep Karle, Dr. Shilpa Hazare, Dr. Guru Prasad Thite, Now for the scientific committee, scientific convener Dr. Bela Verma, scientific advisor Dr. Prashant Jadhav, Six. Dr. Sanjay Nathu and Dr. Sachin Patil from the scientific committee. Now the editorial committee. Editor Dr. Sandeep Dankade. Visitors, Dr. Kankaria and Dr. Madhavi Ingre. Dr. Anna Lokhande, sir, Joint Secretary, Non-Editorial.
ओके दोन हिल स्टेशन अतुल सरांचं आणि ते
बाल सखी संजीवनी, चेअरपर्सन डॉक्टर जयश्री देशपांडे मॅडम.
दुरून आले फक्त मॅडमच्या असते तीनच.
डॉक्टर सुषमा सावे, को चेअरमॅन बाल सखी संजीवनी.
सर्वांचं कंबाईन करतो का?
Now the felicitation of Solapur IIP members. President Solapur IIP Dr. Sudarshan Chakre. हाँ सुदर्शन चक्र हाँ डॉक्टर अतुल कुलकर्णी सर. हाय दे. Felicitation of Dr. Sandeep Kulkarni, sir. Dr. Deepi Nikarte. Dr. Pratibha Patil. Dr. Samir Khan. Dr. Sudarshan Chakre, Solapur IIP President. Dr. Keyur Shishi. Dr. Moin, Secretary, Solapur IIP. Dr. Mahesh Arkal, Treasurer, Solapur IIP. Dr. Sapna Janrao. Dr. Rajesh Meru. Dr. Ambar Dikshit, Secretary, Solapur IIP. Dr. Sucheta Popale, madam. Dr. Atal Kulkarni.
इकडून दे ना.
Today's MSc Deepa Babladi Patil. And Sarita Arkal. Dr. Sarita Arkal. Dr. Sri Ganesh Patil.
तुमचं झालंय तुझं. आता आहे ना. तुझं घेतो अगोदर.
And Dr. Sandeep Kade. नाही अन्नाचं घे. नाही. डॉक्टर अण्णासाहेब लोखंडे. डॉक्टर अण्णासाहेब लोखंडे.
माझं पण शेवटी.
दत्ता.
Mr. Datta and Mr. Shiva. त्यांना Mr. Shiva. And not least, Dr. Kundan Chopade. Now I invite Dr. Sandeep Dankhede sir, Chief Editor Bulletin Maha IP 2026 for inauguration of Maha IP Bulletin. Bulletin. Now I invite Dr. Sandeep Dhankade sir, Chief Editor, Bulletin Maha IP 2026 for inauguration of Maha IP Bulletin. Parisparsha at the hands of Dr. Neelam Mohan ma'am. Now I invite Dr. Sanjeev Joshi sir for our taking ceremony.
नहीं नहीं पहले तो ओथ करना है ना हाँ माझ्याकडे आहे. हेलो हाँ. अच्छा आप बोलेंगे हाँ ठीक है ओके ओके तो मैडम आप आ जाओ या फिर माइक देना पड़ेगा आपको एक माइक दे मॅडमला माइक
Attention, please.
हेलो
Very important thing. Anybody can make a video of this so that when he is naughty, you can send the video to him. Video? अच्छा सबका होएगा? I thought सिर्फ उसका सबका. संदीप या नहीं? आप रुक जाओ पहले इनको, ये लोकल जो
Yeah.
टीम है. I,
I,
your name,
Dr. Sanjeev Joshi,
solemnly affirm that I will honor,
solemnly affirm that I will honor,
uphold and preserve the Constitution
uphold, preserve and Constitution
of Indian Academy of Pediatrics.
of Indian Academy of Pediatrics.
Will do the best to my ability,
Will do the best of my ability,
preserve,
preserve,
protect
protect
and defend
and defend
the Constitution of IAP.
the Constitution of IAP.
That I
That-
will conscientiously,
That I will consciously,
impartially
impartially,
do to the best of my ability,
will do the best of my ability,
discharge and perform all the duties
discharge and perform all the duties
given to me as
given to me as
whatever you are.
President of Maharashtra IAP
Under the Constitution and laws of IAP.
under the Constitution and laws of IAP.
I take this obligation freely
I take this obligation freely
without any mental reservation
without any mental reservation
or purpose of evasion,
or purpose of evasion.
and I shall faithfully and impartially discharge
I shall faithfully and impartially discharge
and do right to all members of IAP
and do right to all members of IAP
and Maharashtra IAP
and Maharashtra IAP
without fear, favor, affection, ill will. What I want to say to all of you, if you now see, it says clearly that I will preserve the Constitution. In the past, Constitution was broken. It also says that if who will to defend the other way. Whatever has happened in the past, I take no fear to say that the Constitution was broken and there were people who tried to defend it. Let us take an oath. It could be your best friend, it could be your son-in-law, it could be your brother, it could be his favorite madam, but we need to be righteous, because if we are not righteous, then what will we teach to the coming generation? So let's be honest and have integrity. Honesty and integrity. Thank you so much. I love you all. You know, being brought up in a I think I'll say in my speech.
Hello. Now that we have our new president, I request Dr. Sanjeev Joshi, sir, the newly installed president of MIIP 2020, to share his thought, vision, and roadmap for the year ahead.
सिद्धरामेश्वराच्या या पवित्र धरतीला मी नमन करतो. आजच्या या पवित्र दिनी सगळ्यांनी एकच बोलायचं आहे, हर हर महादेव. Distinguished dignitaries on the dais, our beloved CIP President 2026, Dr. Neelam. मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला माहीतच आहे, नीलम म्हणजे एक प्रेशियस स्टोन. आणि प्रेशियस स्टोन नाही, त्याच्यामध्ये एक कूलनेससुद्धा असतो, व्हायब्रन्सी असते, अँड इट इज प्राइसलेस. सो वी आर रिअली CIP इज ब्लेस्ड with such a dynamic gem person, and really obligated to you, madam, for making it to our installation. Other distinguished dignitaries on the dais, Sanjay, Renu, Vinayak, Amol, all the OBs, Dr. Mahesh, Dr. Sagar, and my dear friend, Dr. Atul, and most lovely person of this Solapur, the most dynamic one, Dr. Kundan, all CIP EBs, all Maharashtra EBs, all the office bearers of Solapur Academy of Pediatric. Friends, I stand here with the profound sense of gratitude, humility, and with great respect to the feelings and aspirations of the each and every Maharashtra IPN. Maharashtra IP office is just not an office itself. It's a sacred trust which has been imposed on me. I know my predecessors, they were towering persons, giants, and you have imposed your faith in me. That is much more than anything to me. And thanks for believing me that I am really capable of shouldering the responsibility of the Maharashtra IP. Our vision is very simple. What is the basic purpose of any organization like an Indian Academy of Pediatric? Improve the children's health in our nation and in our state. So, the vision is very simple, scaling new heights in child health. And I have main 3 pillars for that. Number 1 is the academic excellence of my fellow members. And Madam President, just like to share with you that every Thursday is Maharashtra IP Thursday now, 9 p.m. Onwards. We have weekly webinars on every Thursday and touching each and every aspect of the pediatric science and empowering our practicing pediatrician with the changes and challenges in the field of pediatric science. And this will be going on throughout the year. From this year, in the history of Maharashtra IP, we are not only restricting ourselves to the online academic activity. We have already planned 3 physical training programs. I will mention training program. Okay. The first one is the Managing Pediatric Emergencies in the Resource Poor setting. The write-up is already been complete, and all the those who we are doing the TOT online to curb down the expenses. We will be training almost 60 odd pediatrician across the state, and that will going to happen on 17th and 18th. So you all must have received the mail, those who are here. And this will be rolled over from the first week of March. And our target will be tier 2 and tier 3 smaller towns and smaller district branches of Maharashtra. Another module is CUP, which is being in the pipeline right now. And the third one is the epilepsy, as you all know. We will be doing it with the collaboration of the Maharashtra Academy of Pediatric Neurology, and that will be doing in the metro cities only. So everything is there, from the bursting metros to the most peripheral part of the Maharashtra. We are trying to bridge this gap narrow, okay, with this vision. Now, members' welfare, that is also one of the priority in this year. I will be very much open to all the suggestions in this regard, like medico-legal help to our members, like fitness, like their financial, we are illiteracy, challenging their financial illiteracy. This will be there. In the academic activity, I forgot to mention the most important work we will be doing is the adolescent. Because there are so many issues in the adolescent, the AI and the adolescent, the screen and the adolescent. Of course, the the screen time, which is one of your core subject, madam, we will be definitely addressing that, and we will be doing advocacy with the government that there should be some laws like Australia that banning social media for the adolescent and keeping the under 5 away from the screen. Then community impact. We have a dedicated Community Connect program on each Sunday. And all these activities has already been started since the month of January. And we have already done our programs since the month of January. And in this Community Connect program, we'll be touching upon each and every aspect of the community, like adolescent, like this, what you call this, immunization awareness, then child rearing practices, and so on. Basically, this is the vision and mission. But just to make it reality, you have to have a team. And really, I'm blessed with one of the best team of the state chapter. I'm really proud of each and every member of my state chapter. एक मोहम्मद रफ़ी का गाना है, आपकी परमिशन हो तो गा लूँ, एक लाइन से रिपल मेरे टीम के लिए है। तुम जो मिल गए हो तो ये लगता है कि जहां मिल गया। तो मित्रांनो, जे काही सक्सेस राहील त्या टीमचं राहील. आणि तुम्हाला जाणीव झाली असेल की मागच्या जानेवारीपासून आमच्या सेक्रेटरी, आमचे व्हाईस प्रेसिडेंट, प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्ट, ट्रेझरर, दे आर ऑल इन, अँड ऑल माय EBs, दे आर ऑल इन ॲक्शन मोड. आणि प्रत्येक जी आपण ॲक्टिव्हिटी केली जानेवारीमध्ये, इट वॉज व्हेरी सीमलेस, व्हेरी व्हेरी नाईस. अँड the one man I must mention today is my dear friend Dr. Sanjay. Thanks, Sanjay, for all you have gone through last year for making the CRC reality. I also thank the CRC chairperson who is amongst us, Dr. Ramakant Patil, and convener Dr. Jayant, and the entire team of CRC. I must acknowledge the past president's effort, Dr. Ram, and the past secretary's effort, Dr. Amol. अमोलबद्दल सांगायची काही गरज नाही. He has मुरलेला नाही, he is mitochondria, मुरलेला mitochondria, and catalyst also. So we will be definitely taking his help. So friends, nothing will be, I think we can weather any rock if at all we strong, solid as a team. आणि टीम शिवाय काही शक्य नाही आहे. I am open to all the suggestions, whichever will be there in your minds. So my dream project is that physical training program. So please, my humble request to all the EBs, all the OBs, to make it a grand success. I will not intervene between you and our madam now. फक्त एकच म्हणायचं आहे की ये प्रेसिडेंट, ये सेक्रेटरी, ये सारी चीज़ें चार दिन की चांदनी है. ये ख़त्म होने के बाद तो मैं हूँ, संजय है, नीलम है, अतुल है, अमोल है. हाँ, तो इस बात का ध्यान रखो. डोंट हर्ट एनीबडी नोइंगली, अननोइंगली. कारण आपले जे संबंध आहे, आपण जी फेलोशिप, आपलं जे बॉन्डिंग तयार होते IIP मध्ये, दॅट इज मच मोर दॅन द पोस्ट. Okay. So I conclude here with a big thanks to the local team of Solapur. Solapur, you, madam, you miss, if at all you are a non-vegetarian, there was something like which can be comparable to Galati kebab. And I really wants to, that a Solapur team should do a good branding for that. Yes. Yes. So, खूप धन्यवाद पुनश्च सोलापूर टीमचे. तुम्ही हा सोहळा इथे छान केला. सोहळाच आहे हा, काही म्हणजे प्रसंग नाही आहे. आणि सगळ्यांचे मनपूर्वक आभार. आणि समस्त महाराष्ट्र IIPNचा माझा साष्टांग प्रणाम. कारण तुम्ही जे मला ब्लेस केलं आपल्या बहुमूल्य वोट देऊन, त्याचमुळे मला एक पहिला इलेक्टेड प्रेसिडेंट होण्याचा मान दिला. थँक्यू सो मच फॉर एव्हरीथिंग अँड लेट अस क्लॅप फॉर आवर टीम. वंस अगेन डॉक्टर नीलम मैं अभी नीलम ही बोलूँगा, ठीक. वेरी वेरी रियली ऑब्लिगेटेड टू यू फॉर मेकिंग इट टू दिस in spite of heavy odds. Thank you.
We wish the new MAIP team a successful and fulfilling journey ahead. Now, I call upon Dr. Neelam Mohan, Madam President Central IIP 2026.
Thank you. What's your name? I forgot. Deepa. Thank you, Deepa. काफ़ी अच्छा गाना था, खाली मैं थोड़ी सी लेफ्ट आउट फील कर रही थी. बट देन यू सेड कि इट्स टू द टीम, तो IAP भी आप ही की टीम है. सो respected dignitaries on the stage and off the stage, yes, it's indeed my pleasure, honor to be here because of reasons. One of the reason is, I think this year the people in front of you are depicting how advances happen, how innovations happen, how you need to change with time. And that's what this team, which I could understand is one of the first elected team. So definitely it's not about criticism. That's what sometimes we need to get the paradigm shift when we keep growing in life. And we may not like it, but then you need to understand that you need to empower. Because I was trying to understand, why did you have to do elections when you haven't done so far? Because that will be the knee-jerk thing that you always think. But the answer which he gave was really mind-blowing. He said that the conference can be organized only by the major branches. But they may be, the other branches are not. So not that he filled the lines, that's when I understood that a president can be, or secretary, or anyone can be from any of the position, but you can't organize a major conference in a small place. So that was a stupendous meaning. And that's why when we ask for changes, one of the things that we can always ask is to say why. If you have a reason for why, then that means you should go. Because whatever you do in life, it's just like ask yourself, isse kyun kar raha hu and kya. So I think I want to congratulate Dr. Pakmode sir for being the, he could have just thrown it aside this year ki nahi yaar mere ko nahi panga lena hai, agle saal jo karna hai karna. He could have done that. Because I've seen मेरे को अभी काफ़ी सारे चीज़ें भी आने वाले हैं. अभी 3 लीगल नोटिसेस आ गई हैं वो डिजिटल IAP की. थला पिछले साल नहीं लिए, मेरे एक और हमारे पास फेंक दिया अभी बहुत सारे मुद्दे हैं जो. So that is something which I guess he took head on. So though he thought he was a forced position, but he doesn't realize that sometimes whatever happens for good. And maybe you had that inborn leadership which you wouldn't have understood unless you got that position. So we're very proud of you. And it's indeed my pleasure to welcome Dr. Sanjeev Joshi, a big hand. He's always been a very pleasant and a cool person. And for ages, I realize he's much older to me because he always called me too. So then I was very sure, यार ये मेरे से बड़ा ही है. मतलब बाल ऐसे धूप में नहीं है, असली में हुए हैं. So, no, but he knew me for several years as an academic person and probably was, I keep saying that there were not many people who came forward to say that I'll support you, but कायनात जुड़ गई थी क्योंकि शाहरुख खान मेरे साथ था. And in that, let me be honest and confess that Sanjeev was with me. When he met me, he had that confidence that you'll do wonders. I have great confidence on you. And at least he gave me tips of maybe 8-10 people, which really matters. So today, in front of everybody, I want to say thank you. Because it's like that makes you feel good, the friends whom you know want to. Otherwise, politically, I've realized that very different people are. And my humble request to all of you, including Sholapur and not Kolhapur, is that जब मैं प्रेजेंट नहीं रहूँगी तब भी बुलाना तब भी थोड़ी चली आऊँगी. And of course to Renu was one of the first EBs with whom I enjoyed, because I did only 2 EBs and somebody had said that time मुझे बुरा लगा कि 2 ही बार EB बन के ये तो, but I think वो सच्ची तो बोला. But I had done 1290 talks before even standing there, which is a huge number. 1290 in India, 200 were abroad. So that means I had traveled across the length and breadth of the country without even thinking कि मुझे politics में या कुछ जाना है. So that was what I said. Shah Rukh Khan मेरे साथ था because कायनात मेरे साथ थी, because I had done good work. But for her, so 2020 was a useless EB for me because it was COVID time, and so many people I met who said, "अरे मुझे नहीं पहचाने मैं तुम्हारा EB था," because digitally EB hardly दिखते थे. And with her, she was so magnanimous. एक बारी अपने सर का clip उठा के मुझे दे दी, मुझे अभी भी याद है. So that was a small little clip, but so 3 of us used to gel a lot, Renu and Nihal Patel and me, in the evenings, whenever they used to be. So we used to sit around and enjoy. So I'm very proud and happy for you that you could make it as this. And today I learnt about a person जिसको मिलने के लिए मैं सपनों में सोचती थी कौन कब आएगा और मुझे मिलाएगा. That turned out to be Vinayak Patil. क्योंकि मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि वो ऐसी जगह रहता है कि वहाँ पे तो अंबानी भी है और शाहरुख खान भी है. तो आज मैं इकरार करती हूँ, मुझे जोशी और रेनू से प्यार नहीं है, मुझे विनायक से है. क्योंकि विनायक के पीछे वो खान है और अंबानी है जिसे मैं देख रही हूँ, उसके पीछे क्या है. तो रणवीर के बारे में ये कहूँगी कि जब मैं थोड़ी ज़्यादा जवान थी, क्योंकि अभी भी मैं जवान हूँ, तो मेरे कॉलेज में 12th क्लास में you're supposed to wear sari for the first time, like that's a tradition. So when I wore it, I had very long hair at that time and whatever, and most of them used to call me Neetu Singh. And आज भी देखना, you will find तो रणबीर की तो मैं माँ हूँ, रिश्ते में मैं उसकी माँ हूँ. Correct? So that was it. And अमोल, नाम ही उसका अमोल है, but इसको एक बारी मैंने फ़ोन करके बोला, तू सबको इतना क्यों पटाता है यार? बोला था ना, अरे यार बोलना सीख ले कि नहीं ये गलत है ये सही है, पटा मत इतना. मैडम अब तो मैं याद रखूँगा. उसके बाद ज़्यादा ही कर दिया. मैंने कहा मैंने इतना नहीं बोला था, थोड़ा सा बोला था. So with that, and Sagar, where is Sagar? There he is. You the treasurer, right? Mahesh is the secretary. तो मेरे को कैसे याद रहेगा जब ट्रेजरर ने कुछ हमें कुछ दिखाया ही नहीं कि आपका खाना किधर है, उसकी चाबी किधर है. Right. And the joint secretary is Sagar, right? And the treasurer is Mahesh. Oh, today is Shivratri, I should remember Mahesh. And of course, I would like to take the name of each EB. Grivita, Madhavi, Kundan, La, of course, Kundan. I didn't know your Lal also. Kundan, Mahesh, Pankaj, Malvika, Ritesh Singh, Sandeep, बिलावट शिल्पा, शिल्पा वो आज भी वो टूटा हुआ शीशा मुझे मिला नहीं है. They had given me a beautiful oration ka, but that thing got broken. कभी मैं बड़ा बैग लेके आऊंगी नागपुर तो ले जाऊंगी because नहीं मजाक कर रही हूँ. It was just like today there's not a big speech, तो मैं तुम्हें मेरा दूसरा रूप भी दिखाना चाह रही हूँ. That it is, and of course Guru Prasad. Where is Guru Prasad? Is he there? Okay, so नाम ही गुरु है. So with that, and of course my central EB, very easy to remember, as I said, DPS triple R and N. तो अपना बना लो, अब DPS स्कूल हो गया, ट्रिपल R हो गया, N हो गया. So they're very close to me because quite a lot of them during the election, we just got connected. I don't know how, not that they were this year, but I remember talking to you. I remember talking to Kulkarni, Sagar, because I knew you people were dynamic. And thank you all for giving me either neutral or matlab karke rakhe. Thank you so much, but it's more pleasure to have you all in my life. As he said, गाना तो नहीं गा सकूंगी, but वो वाला गाना. So with that, I want to say the local team. In the local team, I knew only one tall, fair, handsome guy. Differential diagnosis ही नहीं है. The diagnosis. कोई DD नहीं थी. And admire करते थे. क्या बंदा है यार. कितना कम बोलता है. जब मतलब सुनने के लिए हम बेताब, very few. But he invited me in his clinical pearls, and that's when I understood कि दिमाग वाला है, दिमाग वालों को ही चूज करता है. So indirectly, matlab, I was one of the persons who got, and he said, you've got to do it, and I hope I lived up to your expectation and did good. But that's when we got connected, and of course Kundan, I got connected quite a lot and traveled with him. उस travel में एक बारी भी ice cream नहीं खिलाया. इतना कंजूस था. मैंने पूछा ऐसा क्यों, कहता बीवी साथ है. तो अगली बारी please ice cream खिलावा देना. And of course Sudarshan Chakra ka Chakre, where are you? Thank you so much. And Dr. Swapna is there, and Dr. Atul ji to mil gaye. Dr. Nakle, what is that? Nakate, T में L आ गया. Nakate, where's Nakate? Thank you so much. मैंने आपको वो पहनाया, so Nakate ji. And you are also the treasurer, I think, for the upcoming. Or what are you, for joint secretary or something? Vice chairman for Mahapedicon, vice chairman. Great. So Dr. Anna Lokhande. हाँ, yes. And आप ही है जो मुझे बुलाने वाले हैं ना? नंदेड़ के है ना? नंदेड़ का कौन है? बेटा कंफ्यूजन में उसको बोल दिया तू है. So with that, and Dr. Mahesh and Dr. Samir, and all that I want to say is a couple of things that was on a note which you will remember, because whenever you give speeches, it should be या तो दिल को छीने वाली या जिगर को, क्योंकि मैं तो जिगर की रानी हूँ. And that's what I want to say. Whatever you do, Shiddat say. But one thing to the incoming team, sometimes we feel you do not understand why these ceremonies occur, and but there's always a reason behind it which tries to tell you that, which you rightly said, that post to aati hai jati hai. That is what the ceremony depicts. But three things it depicts. One is commitment, one is accountability, and one is the collective mission. So whenever such things happen, you should tell yourself this, double CA, that you are committed now, because newer ideas come and, you take it forward. And for me, I just want to say, please take this as an opportunity and a responsibility, because at the Central IAP, I just want to divide things and hope we are able to bring about great changes with this dynamic EB. Why I'm saying is that we need to, क्या होता है, ये एक नाम बोले, ये एक नाम बोले, ये बोले, ये बोले, ये बोले, ये बोले, सब कंफ्यूज रहते हैं. अगर हम इकट्ठे एक ही नाम बोले तो हम इरेडिकेट कर सकेंगे. So I am, while you were talking and I was sitting and I was writing point, immediately in the next 2 days I'll ensure that an email will go to all the state branches and all, because so rightly, I mean, what do we want? We want academics. So you're doing great academics. We want advocacy. So you people, and we want community work. So when we are talking about this and the fourth research, so at the central IPN, 3-4 things which my EB will vouch that is going to be, our action plan looks very big, but I'm 300% sure it can be done. The reason it can be done is because it's you all. I don't have to be every day doing the platform. I also plan that the platform, but I don't want to snatch the beauty from each state and this. But what I feel is that the mission should be common. And that mission, as you said, was public health issues. So we should, why I'm, you've never seen me talking of liver transplant. You go and see, I'm more than 1 lakh followers. But तुमको उसमें किधर भी नहीं समझ आएगा कि ये liver transplant करती है. Because I'm just talking of pediatrics and the basic pediatrics, nutrition. So at the community level, that is what I want to do. But my bread and butter is liver transplant, complicated cases. You can come and see right now also 10 complicated cases, which makes you like a, but then I like to empower the students, train, not keep anything in myself, teach them everything so that they can go. But there were people who used to feel कि सब कुछ पढ़ा दिया ना तो आपका competitor बन जाएगा. I remember a nephrologist who was 12 years younger to me or 10 years younger to me when I came to Medanta. He said, "Madam, you're so crazy. देखो आपके सारे जिसको को सिखा रहे, एक right side Fortis चले गया, एक Artemis चले गया, एक वहाँ Narayana चले गया, एक Apollo चले गया, एक Max चले गया. How many competitors you've got in the same place? आपके 4 करके transplant सब ले गए." मैंने कहा ये तो नहीं ले गए ना. ये कहाँ से ले जाए? जो मेरा अपना रुबाब रहेगा, जो मेरा अपना स्टाइल है, जो मेरा अपना communication है, nobody can snatch it from me. Correct? So this is what I told them, give it, just teach it. So I teach my students so much that they go and जैसे interview में, oh, you've trained with Neelam? Tuck. They will get an appointment and they are at the top positions now. And I feel proud कि ठीक है 4 ले गए, तो what did I do? Maybe God wanted to give me a direction. Na? He wanted to give me a direction of next क्या. So I don't know if you saw that video. वो 13 minute का video. I'll request you, संजीव, तुम मेरा अच्छा दोस्त है ना. सबको नहीं बताएंगे. तो हम बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं. So he is going to post here the video on me, which was a 13 minutes video, and I myself was very impressed कि इतना अच्छा बना है वो. मैं ऐसे चल रही हूँ, ये वो कर रही हूँ, it's like the team was sent to make it. But जब वो बना, वो खुद makeup कर रहा है, मतलब the person who did it, phenomenal job. You must see that because the last line it says, if you know Neelam, the moment she's become president, next what? That is me. जैसे ही मुझे कुछ achievement आती है, instead of celebrating, I start thinking next what. So I never enjoy the success, but that's everybody is good, bad, whatever. But I don't want my children to be like this, and I don't want youngsters to be like this because we could not have the work-life balance at all. Because we were in a place, but I have no regrets because I was in a place where there was nobody who knew liver transplant, there was nobody. So I had to work like 40 weekends. I used to be traveling, giving lectures. That's why I have 1290. Because हर एक time मैं lectures दे रही हूँ to empower. people to think. So every time things changes, and that's what it is about. But in that, I always say that there is a reason why God does things. So everything, like Pak Pune, there was a reason, this. And your speech gave me this idea that what do I want? I want basically, if there is, मतलब जो आपको हिपोक्रेट्स ने बोला है, क्या बोला है? क्या बोला है? हिपोक्रेट्स. ओके, ठीक. और मैं गैस्ट्रोएंट्रोलॉजिस्ट हूँ. और गैस्ट्रोएंट्रोलॉजिस्ट. All diseases arises in gut. करेक्ट? तो उसका बहुत बड़ा मीनिंग था. इट्स नॉट ओनली गट माइक्रोबायोटा, बट साला जो तुम खा रहे हो, न्यूट्रिशन. न्यूट्रिशन इज गिविंग यू अंडर न्यूट्रिशन, हिडन हंगर, अनीमिया, whether it is B12 deficiency, folate deficiency, this deficiency, selenium. You know, you can't imagine an overweight, obesity, everything is gut. Everything is gut. One of the time I told my student, I took liver, and he is now in Denmark, I wouldn't want you to do that. And nobody did it. वो भी जाके फिर भी liver ही करा. If you are a youngster, you should try to understand luminal gastroenterology, जो हमें नहीं समझ आई. 25 years back, in Pedicon, I gave a lecture saying that ऐसे ही, and they thought कितनी रूड है यंग सी लड़की, अपने आप को क्या समझती है. रमाकांत पाटिल बोल रहा था लोगों को, मैंने सुन लिया था. क्योंकि तब ये भी यंग था, तो सोच रहा था क्या चीज़ है, यूके पढ़ के मैं तो महाराष्ट्र का शिवाजी के वहाँ से आया हूँ. So I told there that whatever you people say functional abdominal pain is crap, ऐसे ही बोली. इसका मतलब मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा. ये बोलो ना, मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा. फंक्शनल एब्डोमिनल पेन इज 90%. 90% आपको नहीं समझ आया. सिंपल. सो इट्स ओनली ऑर्गेनिक यू अंडरस्टूड. सो फंक्शनल एब्डोमिनल पेन वॉज विच मेरे यहाँ पे सिर्फ 25% है जो मैं नहीं समझती हूँ. Right? But I'm able, no case you didn't understand H. pylori gastritis, food allergy, motility, कि esophageal motility, gastric motility, ये कुछ भी नहीं था ना 25 साल पहले. I started a motility division first in India, first anal manometry in India, first neurogastroenterology thing, everything. And now first एक research करने जा रही हूँ where in this patient I'm trying to look at the gut का microbiota signature of ये वाले को और ये वाले को पेन एब्डोमेन से आए मेरे पास. दोनों को सेम ट्रीटमेंट दूंगी, सेम टेस्ट करूंगी, सेम. बट इनका स्टूल टेस्ट होगा, इनका भी होगा. आपको कुछ पंगे नहीं लूंगी, कुछ भी नहीं करूंगी. इनका देन आई विल स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन द थिंग. एंड पता नहीं काम करेगा या नहीं, बट दैट्स द थिंग विच विल स्टार्ट. सो दिस इज वॉट LUM is not understood. Anyway, that was, sorry, side mein nikal gayi. But I want you all to do nutrition. I want you all to do in pneumonias, which I'm saying pneumonia under 5, nutrition. And what I did, adolescent, ahead. What did I do in that? Just mental health issues and this and that. What did I do in infection? I took both vaccination and I took ID. दोनों उसको साथ रखी because उसके बिना भी that is also still our mortality, but we need to move. The next 2 modules which are coming, Ramakant, बहुत काम है तुम लोगों का. I don't know how you all will manage. You have to push your branches. मतलब मैं चाह रही थी कि एक संडे के दिन हर जोन में एक संडे को मिनिमम 10 मीटिंग होना. हो ही नहीं पा रही है. 4 में 2 में खुश हो जा रहे. We need somebody like you, Amol. Be aggressive. आ जा मैदान में. सीरियसली, मजाक नहीं. ईच वन ऑफ यू. मैंने आपको 750 दिया और कल मैंने एक और 100 कर दिया है कि ऑन NCD. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू टेल, एम्पावर पीपल कि डायबिटीज़ थोड़ा तो आना ना. मुझे भी नहीं आता है, तो जो मुझे नहीं आता मैं वही सीखना और सिखाना ना. बिकॉज दैट इज़ वॉट एवरीबडी नीड्स टू नो. बिकॉज यू नीड टू नॉट नो कि रेस्पिरेटरी जो शिल्पा को आता है, मुझे क्या करना है, ब्रोंकोस्कोपी कब करना है क्या, बट आई शुड नो व्हेन टू रेफर. दैट इज वॉट यू नीड टू एम्पावर एंड टेल. बट मैं जो देख रही हूँ वो मुझे नहीं मालूम संजीव जोशी कैसे लाएगा, बट द स्टेट विच विल ब्रिंग दिस विल गेट द बेस्ट अवार्ड. संजीव, ओपन चैलेंज वीडियो में, ओपन चैलेंज, इफ यू आर एबल टू एंश्योर तुम्हारी हर ब्रांच, चाहे छोटी भी ब्रांच हो, 2-3 ब्रांचेस को पकड़ लो, कम पैसे दे दो, छोटी है 40,000 एक को दे दो, 40 दूसरे को दे दो, दूसरे को दे दो, आप ले लो 1 और आपके ब्रांचेस को 40 दे दो, 20 करो, मेरे को क्या जा रहा. आई एम हियर टू स्पेंड द मनी, बट आई फील बैड जब यू आर आस्किंग मी 1 लाख और 17 लोग बिठाए, तो वो मैं नहीं देखना चाह रही हूँ. मैं फाइनेंस को पकड़ ली हूँ, मैं इनके सर पे ठोपूंगी, वो फाइनेंस नहीं दे रहा है. फाइनेंस पूछ रहा है कि सर की फोटो दिखाओ, मैंने आप भेज दिया मेल दैट देयर शुड बी अ फोटो इन द बिगनिंग, मिडल एंड इन द एंड. मेरी पैसा थी. इट्स अ डेमोक्रेसी, इट्स ऑफ यू, बाय यू एंड फॉर यू. दैट्स ऑल आई एम सेइंग. सो दिस ईयर आई वांट टू डू रिसर्च वर्कशॉप्स. तो टोटल 1000 है, कैसे करेंगे हम? जो स्पीड आप चल रहे हो, मेरी स्पीड बहुत ज़्यादा है. You are not able to catch up, and I really want you all to catch up. Anybody who wants to do anything, मैडम आपकी रिसर्च वर्कशॉप करेंगे, आपका ये करेंगे, तो जो सारा प्लान है जोशी, मैं तेरे को प्लेट में दे रही हूँ. महाराष्ट्र में you just take what you want. You all the projects which are there, do it, because तभी वो आंदोलन बोलेगा सभी एक ही बात कर रहे हैं. जैसे अगर आपको पोलियो एरेडिकेट करना है, अनीमिया, तो अनीमिया के लिए आई वॉज वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड. आई सेड सर आस्क हिम. ऊपर मैं सीधा बोली आप स्टेट कोऑर्डिनेटर बन जाओ. बोली 1 मिनट पहले. आई एम मोर देन हैप्पी इफ एनीबडी वांट्स टू डू अ प्रोजेक्ट, एंड the moment those people came for money, I have no place for this thing. I said I want you to do it in 5 states. महाराष्ट्र पकड़ लो, राजस्थान, यूपी, छत्तीसगढ़, यहाँ पे बाय बाय एनीमिया करो. वी डोंट वांट टू स्टॉप बाय बाय एनीमिया. वी आर वर्किंग अ लिटिल मोर, बट आई एम गोइंग टू सेंड यू ऑल फ्लायर्स ऑन एजुकेशनल मटेरियल ताकि आप. बट मैं फिर भी देख रही हूँ वही शक्ल आती है. इसका क्या करना है मुझे नहीं मालूम. अमोल, यू हैव टू थिंक. क्या बता, मीटिंग में सेम लोग आते हैं, तो जिसको हम पढ़ाना चाह रहे हैं वो टायर 2 टायर 3 वो आते ही नहीं है. उनको कैसे पढ़ाऊं मैं, आप बताओ.
उनके जो ओपीडी टाइमिंग है उनके हिसाब से, कुछ लोग
क्या
मॉर्निंग में मॉड्यूल चाहते हैं, कुछ लोग इवनिंग में चाहते हैं संडे को.
तो आपके हिसाब से संडे क्लासेस रखें.
संडे भी चलेगा, बाकी दिन प्रैक्टिस.
यू ऑल कम टू, मतलब मैं चाह रही हूँ कि तभी होगा ना. हम मोर्टेलिटी वहीं अटके हुए हैं, वहाँ क्यों अटके हम. यू ऑल कांट डू. मतलब इतना पढ़ के आप फर्स्ट क्लास आ गए, मुझे डिस्टिंक्शन नहीं बनाना है, मुझे 3rd क्लास और 2nd क्लास को फर्स्ट क्लास बनाना है. तुम्हें डिस्टिंक्शन बना के क्या फर्स्ट क्लास हो. सो हाउ यू कैन डू, थिंक अबाउट इट. कोई भी आपको ईबी को कोई दोस्त मिला जो भी छोटी ब्रांच, अरे यार ये करना यार, मैं हूँ ना, मैं तेरे को दिला रहा हूँ, मैं मना कर रही हूँ, दिलाओ उनको करो. एंड आई विल फील मोर हैप्पी इफ़ यू गो टू दोज रीजन्स. आपको अगर बुलाए यूपी की कोई छोटी जगह पे आप लेक्चर देने गए तो मेरा दिल ज़्यादा खुश होएगा. अहमदाबाद जाके फ़ोटो खिंचा के, कोयम्बतूर में जाके 10 लोग फ़ोटो खिंचा के बैठे हुए हैं, मैं नहीं जाऊंगी वहाँ फ़ोटो. ईस्ट दिल्ली, वेस्ट दिल्ली, मुझे नहीं रिबन काटना है. मुझे उधर जाना है जिधर मैं यहाँ एक ग्रुप को. वाई एम आई हियर टुडे? बिकॉज आई एम स्पीकिंग टू लीडर्स, राइट. तो अगर मुझे चेंज लाना है, ये लीडर्स पूरे मेरे वॉइस है. मैं एक लेक्चर 500 को दूं या आप लोग को लूं, इम्पैक्ट ज़्यादा रहेगा. सो आई एम हियर फॉर अ सेल्फिश रीज़न, नॉट ओनली टू प्लीज यू, बट फॉर अ सेल्फिश रीज़न दैट आई गेट सो मेनी इंस्टॉलेशन में लीडर्स. वो लीडर्स अगर मेरे आगे ले जाएंगे तो मेरे को बहुत फ़ायदा होगा. सो ऑल ऑफ यू आई प्लीड, एंड मैम आपको भी, इट इज़ beyond your area also you go. Don't just think, matlab that is what I am just saying everybody, and I mean it from the heart, that you all, when you do something good, cumulative goodness ban jati hai. yesterday, can you believe it? मैंने इसको बताया कहाँ गई थी. The Sai, which is the Madhusudan Sai, Namo had also gone to meet him, तो निमो भी गई. निमो is me, नीलम मोहन, अगर किसी को नहीं मालूम. मैंने कहा कहीं बातों में भूल ना जाओ कि नमो के साथ. तो उनका इनॉगर, व्हाट अ प्लेस, क्या स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट. मतलब उनकी स्टोरी सुन के आप हैरान हो जाना कि एक बंदा जो सत्य साई बाबा के साथ MBA करा, गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट, जो भी मतलब टॉपर था, उसके बाद वो कुछ करना चाह रहा, वो वहाँ पे गया, वो दूसरा आदमी मिला, 150 एकड़ उसको दे दिया. मतलब एंड वो आदमी जीरो से, ओह अनबिलीवेबल, 1 करोड़ लोगों को जो फिर खाना जा रहा है फ्री, ये अपने CSR जो भी लेते हैं उनसे देते हैं, और गवर्नमेंट अब उनकी है. गवर्नमेंट 40% पैसे देती है और ये लोग बाकी का अरेंज करते हैं for free food. More than 1 crore people they are giving, and by 2030 they will give 80 million people, they will give 8 crores free food मिलेगा. And जो hospital बनाया था, oh, I have never seen in my life. The whole hospital, 800 bedded, is supposed to be robotic. Very few human beings. Most of the robot free. So उसको कितने लोग पैसे दे रहे हैं ये सोचो. एंड दैट मीन्स जब आप कुछ गुडनेस सोचते हो तो कलेक्टिव गुडनेस हो गई. उसकी माँ जो भी उसके बंदे हैं, दे आर ऑल कलेक्टिव गुडनेस. सो ऐसे ही कुछ काम करो एंड दैट कलेक्टिव एक पूरा तहलका मचा लो. यू कॉल इट योर, मेरे बाप को मुझे मेरा नाम CIAP की वो नहीं होना, बट यूज दो टॉपिक्स. मैंने इमरजेंसी उस दिन इंस्टॉलेशन करी, आप नहीं आए. And this is exactly I came out with guidelines. देखो आपका और मेरा vision. I just said 6 months back I started preparing guidelines on emergency because India में emergency समझ ही नहीं आती है. So that's how emergency guidelines are coming. And 360-degree pediatric is nothing. All of you will get books. I'm trying my funds to get a book which will be your love. It's like it's all specialities. It's emergency. It's neurology. Everything I just want there. But कितना 5 साल चलेगी फिर चीज बदलेंगे, ठीक है. But at least during that 5 and all we are doing, and try to do the same which you're anyway doing. You said adolescence, you said mental health, you said khali ek school program, we have to finish. School program, I want you all to take it.
Madam, today we are launching
With-
Go Anemia Go.
With that. And usme I want to give the slides of which are being prepared on nutrition, and which includes anemia. 3 slides on mental health, digital health, environmental health. Thank you so much.
आपण गो अनिमिया गो ही आपल्या
Correct.
महाराष्ट्र स्लोगन आहे यावर्षी, आणि याचं आज ओपनिंग मॅडमच्या हाताने करतोय. अतुल सर मॅडमला गो अनिमिया गो.
या तो अनीमिया मुक्त भारत, जो भी गवर्नमेंट बोल रही है, जो आप बोलोगे तो पावर आए. मेरे हिसाब से I said अनीमिया मुक्त. The reason is it echoes with government. So एक ही आवाज चल. So call it अनीमिया मुक्त children, अनीमिया मुक्त बच्चे, अनीमिया मुक्त भारत, अनीमिया मुक्त बच्चे, something like that. Go with the government thing.
अरे रेणू
Thank you, ma'am.
थँक्स करणार गो अनिमिया गोची ऍक्टिव्हिटी प्रत्येक माझ्या महाराष्ट्र IIT माझी रिक्वेस्ट आहे की आपल्या झोनमध्ये तुम्ही ब्रांचेसला प्रमोट करा, and we'll be rewarding them at CIP level also, at Maharashtra IP level.
Correct. All that you are doing, just put it in the state cumulative of social progress.
Yeah, right, ma'am. And we come to the end of the session with a vote of thanks. Distinguished chief guest and installing officer, Dr. Neelam madam, you journeyed all the way from Delhi to Solapur, a profound testament to your boundless love for our Mahayapians. We are truly blessed to have you with us today. Your presence inspires us all. A heartfelt thanks to Mahapedicon team, Solapur, IIP Solapur, and the organizing team led by Dr. Atul Kulkarni sir, Dr. Sandeep Kulkarni, Dr. Chakre, Dr. Tambori, and all, and Dr. Kundan especially, for curating an impeccable venue and ambience for today's installation and EB meeting. Your flawless execution turned vision into reality. We salute our outgoing president and secretary, Dr. Pakmode sir and Dr. Amol for 2025, whose visionary leadership paved the way around forward. And a special round of applause for the MOC, Dr. Deepa, Dr. Sarita and her friends, her stellar team as masters of ceremony. Your poise and energy kept the spirit alive. And thanks all to the whoever have come from all the way from various places today installed as our Mahahappy Tree team. I know that you will be energetic for the next 1 year, and already we are having the programs for the online and offline, and all the CIP members as well as my scientific team. I thank you all. The editor who has done the bulletin, I thank him. And also our core team of our office bearers, Mr. Datta and Shiva, we thank from the bottom of the heart. All the logistics they have got from Nashik here by courier, which we have got the medals and everything. So thank you to them, and thank you all the organizing team once again. Yes. So, President Madam will go forward to the anemia program, and within 10 minutes we will start our EB meeting. A tea break is there, and immediately the EB meeting will be there, so that we will finish early. So, there is one more announcement. Those who have not done room checkout, please do the room checkout. You can put your baggages in the cloakroom.